Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make directory in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. First of all, I am going to show you how to make directory in current location. Type mkdir space the directory name. I'm typing the directory name abcd. Now hit enter. The directory is created. I'm going to check ls. Look, the directory has been created. Now I'm going to show you how to create multiple directory in single command. Mkdir the directory name, sales, admin, marketing, hr, it. All directories will be created in single command. Hit enter. Now I'm going to check ls. Look, the all directories are created in single command. Now I'm going to show you the another technique. Mkdir dir second bracket 20 comma 25 comma 26 and second bracket close, and it will create three directories: dir20, dir25 and dir26. Hit enter. Now check ls. Look, these three directories has been created. Now another way to create multiple directory in single command: mkdir dir second bracket 1 double dot 5 second bracket close. Now hit enter and check. Look, dir 1 2 3 4 5 has been created in single command. Now I'm going to show you how to create an parent and child directory in single command. Mkdir -p for parent, and then double a slash double b slash double c slash double d slash double e. And if you want, you can use v option for verbose. Now hit enter. Look, first it created double a, then double b, then double c, then double d, and then double e. Look, this is the double a, and within it double b, and within it double c, double d, double e. Now I am going to show you how to create multiple directory in a directory tree. Mkdir hyphen p and v for verbose. Now type qq ww rr ss tt, and within tt you will create multiple directory string nn, and then second bracket a dot dot m and second bracket close. Now hit enter. What will be happen? Look, qq ww rr ss tt and nna to nnm. All directories has been created in a single command. This is the way to create directory in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.